Are you looking for elegant na house and lot na pang dream home ang datingan? Dito lang yan sa Amaresa, Marilao. Amaresa, Marilao is located along M. Villarica Road dito sa Barangay Lombadicato, Marilao, Bulacan. This is the main gate and welcome to Amaresa, Marilao. Amaresa, Marilao is almost a 10 hectares first-class residential community which is a development project of Red Oak Properties Incorporated. It has complete amenities including a swimming pool. Welcome to Aria Prime. Aria Prime is another single attached unit dito sa Amaresa, Marilao. We have a usable floor area na 99 square meter and a minimum lot area na 89 square meter. We have an extra space para sa ating pocket garden. Pwede natin lagyan ito ng coffee table para gusto natin magkape sa umaga. And Aria Prime has a carport, no, para sa ating sasakyan. We also have this space, no, na pwede nating pwede nating ayusin as a part ng ating service area. Okay? Let's check. So this is our main door. This is our living area. Our dining area. Merong extra space. Pwede nating another extension, no, ng ating living area. Pwede rin itong maging another bedroom kung may mga kasama po tayong elderly or gusto natin gawing office, pwede natin gawin yan. No? Okay? So this is now our kitchen. By the way, fully finished naman ang Aria Prime. But then of course, itong mga appliances and furnitures are not included. Okay, this is our kitchen. Of course, meron tayong kitchen sink, no? Ready na yan sa ating faucet. We have yan mga cabinets. And again, this is our service door connecting to our service area na pwede nating lagyan o gawing laundry or dirty kitchen, no? Para hindi mangamoy kapag magluluto tayo. This is now our access to our second floor. No, as you can see, no, nilagyan natin ito ng me time na area, no, para kung gusto magmuni-muni, no. Again, pwede rin itong gawing office or study area ng ating mga anak. Or pwedeng stock room, no. Yan. So this is our stairs, of course, no. We have a steel mga tubular ito, and we have a wood planks dito sa taas para aesthetic. Okay? Check natin yung ating second floor, no? So, this is our hallway. Yan. So, this is our hallway. And dito sa Aria Prime, we have 3 bedrooms, no? This is our first bedroom. Ayan, as you can see, no? We have ample space. Maluwag ito, no? Actually, pwede itong mas malaking bed, no? Pero ganyan yung ginawa, sofa bed para, well, may other functionality. Right? This is another room, no? Yan, so nilagyan natin ng double deck. Pwedeng bunk bed, no? Para sa kung mas maraming anak. And this time, this is our master bedroom. So we have our bed, of course, no? And this is connecting to our common toilet dito sa taas. So meron siyang access doon sa ating common toilet, no? Dito sa second floor. Yan. Of course, ito yung ating toilet, no? We have the lavatory with faucet. We have the water closet. And syempre, kompleto yan sa ating shower fixtures. Of course, dito yan, no? May pintuan tayo dito. Nakatanggal lang, pero definitely may mga doors tayo dito, no? So, of course, connecting yan sa ating dalawang kwarto. Okay? And here, this is now our access to our terrace or balcony. Ayan, napakalaki din ng space, no? Para sa ating family activities. Of course, meron tayong steel handrails for security purposes, no? Ayan, no, napakalaki. Pwede rin sampayan, no? Dito tayo magsampay or ayun na nga, no? Pwede natin tong lagyan ng roofing para mas accessible, no? Or mas maganda para sa, of course, no, kung may mga event or activity yung ating family. Again, this is our hallway at meron tayo ditong no, parang ang labas ay high ceiling, no? Pwede tayong maglagay dyan ng chandelier or ng mga aesthetic lamps para maliwanag dito sa hagdan natin. Okay? So once again, this is our ground floor. dito sa Aria Prime. By the way, no, meron tayong toilet and bath dito sa baba, no? Siyempre, kompleto din yan ng fixtures, no? Meron tayong lavatory with faucet. We have our water closet. Meron tayong tissue holder. Siyempre, kompleto rin ang ating shower fixtures. Yan. Kung may mga visitors tayo, siyempre hindi na aakyat. Okay? So, ang maganda dito, no, nakahiwala yung kitchen natin. Kaya pwede nating, yun, medyo nakatago siya. Okay? So, once again, this is Aria Prime dito sa Amaresa, Marilao. Ikaw, are you looking for your dream home? Tara! We will bring you home. Thank you!